Freddie? What are you looking at? Hey? I was just stretching and he's like looking at me with his eyes popping out of his head, like thinking, what is she doing now? You heard a noise. You heard a noise. Yeah. Off he goes to have a look. Let's see. Or he's like he doesn't want to know. He gets frightened of noises, so he'll probably jump in his little hidey hole. Let's see if he does. Like he's gonna have a little nosy out of the window. Are you having a nosy? What's that up there, Freddie? Freddie, are you being nosy? Neighbourhood watch. Freddie, what's going on?